guys, listen to this shit. I'm about to brake. This song's gonna sound bad. Oh man, it's killing me. I'm gonna apply the brakes. Oh God. Oh, this hurts so much. Oh, can I get on? It's like I know I bleeded it correctly. The car has 125,620 miles. These are original calipers. So odds are the calipers are bad. It's a little quieter now, but I probably don't warn the pad down. It hurts. It really does. I'm just dreading pressing these brakes right now. I probably worn down the pad to nothing. No. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Oh God. This sucks. I just hope it didn't glaze the rotor. Then I have to resurface it. And that's not something I can do. Oh, limping home. I feel like the drive of shame, bro. It's like spent all day doing this shit. And it sounds like ass. Oh God, I'm home. Finally. Not to wait for this to cool off, and then I can open it up and see what the hell's going on. Regardless, I'm probably gonna get. Actually, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get new calipers. Back to the bullshit. So I found out what the noise was. Yeah, I did something dumb. That bottom bolt on the bracket, I didn't tighten it all the way, so it fell out. So the actual bracket was rubbing on the top of the rotor. Sounded horrible. Not much damage. Just grinded a little bit on the actual inside of the caliper. Wasn't bad. Order that next day air. So pissed. And as a punishment to myself and as I'm sorry to the car, I went ahead and got me some steel braided lines for it. Honestly, I'm not going to be filming this too much. It's like 9 o'clock and it's already like 90 degrees in here. So it'll be a quick, it's on, it's off, you'll see it. I mean, it's real simple. It's 2 bolts. Nothing crazy. I showed you the front's a little different because it goes attached to the, oh, my shadow. It goes attached to the actual strut. So that's the only difference really. All right. So it's a super simple install. I'm probably not gonna film it. I want to get this over with. Filming it takes a while. So you're gonna have right here, this is a 10 millimeter. And right here, if you follow the line, goes right here. This, I believe, is a 12. The kit, for some reason, when I got it, it goes from a 12 to a 14. Z1 Motorsports. I don't understand it, but it goes in just fine. Remember, it comes with 2 crush washers right here. So one's going to go here. Then it's going to be, where's the line at? It's going to be that. The crush washer here. Put it on, fucking frame it. All right. You have a crush washer here. This one here. Like so. And then the other crush washer there. Keep the same angle. As you see, that's got that bend going that way. And this there's a little bracket here. A little pin. You got to pull it. I would suggest you do some PB Blaster or whatever, some penetrating oil, because it's in there. The way I did it on the other side is I grabbed it and I shimmied it left and right to break it loose, because there's a lot of gunk up under there. I can guarantee it. And just pull it. I mean, you could try to grab it and yeet it out, but I wouldn't. You got a little sensitive lines here. This is metal. You bend this, you're screwed. Be very careful with these. These will strip really easy. So I would recommend, let me see. I got them. I just don't happen to have the size. I don't happen to have the size. Sorry about that. But they look like that. So it has that little shape, so that the nut actually fits in there really nice, and you won't have any chances of it stripping. Well, my peoples, like I promised you, here it goes. Real simple. 10 millimeter here. Ran it straight down, straight shot right up to there. Kept the same angle that was there originally. One thing I didn't say was, before I unlatched those lines, I propped the brake all the way up so the pressure is constant and you're not going to keep dripping. Or maybe not, I don't know. Here, real simple again. That's still 10 millimeter. Very careful. Still, it's got the little clip. It goes down to, scoops down behind here, up there to this one, right there. So from back here to right here, 12 loops down up to this one, also a 12. Which goes behind the knuckle, this hose, and right into there, which is another 12. So 3 12s, boom, 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 110. Pull the clip out. I loosen this first before I mess with this clip. You don't want this line connected when you're yanking on this. These are tight, man. Like I said, I was shimming it, or I actually grabbed my channel locks, grabbed the clip like so, and then hit it with my rubber mallet right on the tip, and it came right out. PB Blaster though, PB Blaster. Well, my people, during editing I realized somehow this part of it got corrupted, but here it is, the front one, the front brake line. So remember, it goes down, comes around here, loops up, looking nice, follows through there, and then goes and ends up right here. And we'll go from on this angle, loops from here, and there it is. Looking good. I'm happy, she's happy, and you guys should be happy too. Or not, whichever. But anyways, hope you enjoyed. And see you on the next video, whatever it might be. Maybe I'll keep it a surprise. Maybe it doesn't matter.